Today's video is all about vocabulary. I'm going to share 7 vocabulary and I want you to understand them as much as possible. Because vocabulary is one of the most important things that you should understand and apply to speak English fluently. So that's why I'm speaking so slowly so you can understand me. You got it? በዛሬ ቪዲዮ የምነግራችሁ ቮካብላሪዎች አሉ ወይም ቃላቶች አሉ። ቀስ ብዬ ነው በእንግሊዝኛ ነው ማወራው። አብዛኛው ጊዜ በእንግሊዝኛ ስለማወራ በደንብ ተረድታችሁ ቀስ ብዬ ነው ማወራው። ከተረዳችሁ በኋላ ደግሞ የምነግራችሁ ቃላቶች እኔ ምሳሌ ነግራችኋለሁ። ከእናንተ ደግሞ አንድ ምሳሌ በኮሜንት ላይ እፈልጋለሁ ማለት ነው። got it? So let's get started. ከመጀመራችን በፊት ግን ፋውንዴሽን የለኝም ወይም ምንም መሰረታዊ ዕውቀት የለኝም ብላችሁ የምታስቡ ከሆነ ያዘጋጀንላችሁ ፋውንዴሽናል እንግሊሽ የሚባሉት ወይም ደግሞ መሰረታዊ እንግሊዝኛ የጀርባ አጥንት ትምህርት ነው፣ ኮርስ ነው፣ የኦንላይን ኮርስ ነው። አሁኑኑ መውሰድ መማር መጀመር ትችላላችሁ። የት እናገኘዋለን ካላችሁኝ www.speaktoreach.et ላይ ድረገጻችን ውስጥ ስትገቡ የጀማሪ የኦንላይን ኮርስ አለ። እሱን መጀመር ትችላላችሁ። Now, the first word in today's video is going to be collaboration. I want you to say with me. Say after me. Say after me. Collaboration. One more time. Collaboration. All right. Collaboration means working together. One more time. Working together. Let me give you an example. They have signed a collaboration agreement. They have signed a collaboration agreement. Now I want you to pause the video and write an example from your own, okay? And write it down in the comments using the word collaboration, okay? This is the first word of today's video. Are you ready? Let's go to the next word. Okay, the second word is credibility. Credibility. Or you can say, if you want to improve your pronunciation, you can say credibility. 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 You got it? You got it. Okay, now I'm going to give you an example like I told you, but I need your example too in the comments. Okay? The company lost its credibility. The company lost its credibility. The company lost its credibility. Now I need your example in the comments using the word what? Credibility. What is the meaning of the word credibility? Credibility means trustworthiness. Trustworthiness, which means when you say I or you can trust me, so I have credibility. If I tell somebody that they can trust me, okay, that means I'm saying that I'm trustworthy. I have credibility. You got it? Okay, this is the second vocabulary. The third vocabulary is sincerity. 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 You can say that too. Sincerity or sincerity. You got it? So this word means honesty or genuineness. Honesty or genuineness. Okay? So if someone is being sincere, so they are being what? Honest. Let me give you an example. The sincerity of the community made me feel good. The sincerity of the community made me feel good. Now I need you to use the word sincerity in a sentence and write it down in the comments. I'm gonna wait for it. All right? This is the third vocabulary. Are you with me? Yeah, I need you to give me this thumbs up. You can click it over here and you can subscribe to this channel too. Got it? So the fourth vocabulary is reliability. Say it with me. Reliability. One more time. Reliability. You got it. You got it. Reliability means consistency in performance. Consistency in performance. So when you do something or you perform something consistently, that's what? That's reliability. So I can rely on you. I can depend on you. I can give you tasks and say, he's the one for this task because he's a person that I can rely on. So reliability means the consistency of performing something, okay? So I'm gonna give you an example and I'm gonna wait for your example too. I'm trying to be consistent because consistency is important for success. Again, I'm trying to be consistent because consistency is important for success. Now I need your example in the comments. Good. So now we have reached number 4, right? We have done number 4. Let's go to number 5, which is humility. Humility. Or you can say humility. Humility. Repeat after me. I'm saying it slowly so you can understand the nuances of the pronunciation techniques. Humility. Humility. See the difference? Now, humility means the quality of being modest. The quality of being modest. So when I treat people with empathy, I'm trying to be humble. Okay? I'm trying to put myself, not to put myself down. I'm trying to treat people with kindness and empathy. So humility is important for human beings. This is an example. Humility is important for human beings. Now I need you to use the word humility in an example in the comments, okay? Now, we are in the 6th part, which is the 6th vocabulary. The first vocabulary was collaboration, right? The second was credibility. The third was what? Sincerity. The fourth was reliability. And the 5th was humility. Now, let's go to the 6th ones. Perception. Say it again. Perception. One more time. Say it again. Perception. One more time. Perception. Exactly. The meaning of perception is the way something is understood. The way something is understood. Now, I want you to take it from this way. Everybody has his own or her own perception about something, right? My perception about language is different from somebody else. Okay, let me give you an example with the word perception. My perception about a language might be different from somebody else's perception. This is the example. I need you to write down an example using the word perception in the comments too. Great. Let's go to the 7th. What? Actually, it's not a one word. It's a phrase. Let's listen to it. First impression. First impression. Say it again. First impression. So the phrase first impression really means the initial opinion someone forms. If you entered a room and you were wearing something a little bit awkward, so the people will look at you in a stunning way, or they're just stunned about what they just saw. Okay? That's the first impression a person can perceive when they look at somebody or at a situation. You got it? So that's what we call first impression. That's why we dress up very well when we go into or when we have this kind of interview or work or job interview. Now, I need you to use this word first impression in an example and write it down in the comments. I'm just going to give you one example so it's going to be easy for you to use it. First impressions are very important in meetings. Again, first impressions are very important in meetings. See? Now I need you to use an example or to use this phrase in an example and write it down in the comments. That's a new way of teaching English. I want you to use more vocabulary so you can enrich your vocabulary bank. I will talk to you next time with a new video for you to improve your English. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next video. Bye. Salamat ይብዛልኝ።